Hey guys, welcome to my channel, Davina's Faith. In today's video, I'll be doing my 2020 vision board. So I already have some things printed out. I just went to my nearby library and I went on Microsoft Word and pasted some images that I've seen online, and I printed them out into two papers. So right now I'm just cutting out the images. So you're going to just cut out all the images that you want from the printed paper or from magazines. Okay, now that we have that done, we're going to start to cut out the poster board. I won't only be using poster board. I'll be using a picture frame to put in my vision board because I want it to be more decorative. And you could get all these supplies from Dollar Tree. And if you don't have a computer or printer at home, you could go to your local library, and it shouldn't be more than 50 cents to print out your clippings. So I'm just going to cut this out in the shape of the frame, just making sure I'm just using this as a guideline, and I would recommend that you use a pencil to get better edges. But now I'm going to start to glue down my clippings. So the first one is my 2020, and I'm going to put that in the middle of the board. And my next one is that's my apartment. My goal for this year is to have my own apartment, to just live completely alone by myself. Then the next is my salon. I want to have a mini salon, so I'm putting that next to each other. And you just want to make sure that you press firmly down on the paper and that you have enough glue on the edges, because they will slide up. So I'm just going back in to make sure I have enough glue, because yeah, it was sticking up. This is how it looks so far. And I'm going to do the next one. I'm just trying to figure out where I want to have it. And my goal for my hair is to have healthy, full waist length hair. I already achieved waist length hair this year, but now it's a little bit above waist length, and I just want it to be full and as healthy as it can be. And I believe this young lady has hair texture that's similar to mine, like a medium density, not too thick, but still full. And then the next is for my relationship with God to improve even more, and also for me to be bold in worshiping in public, like when I'm in church and stuff, just for me not to be fearful to worship at church or any public place where other people will be. Then I have a specific camera. I actually put the specific camera that I want, and it's the G7X Mark II, just for my vlogs, my videos, so they could be better, because I'm working on my quality this year. And this goes hand in hand with that as well. I want my quality to be better. Like, I'm working on quality this year. So until I get that camera, while I'm using my phone, I'm just going to focus on doing my videos better. And also I want to get a MacBook, more than likely a MacBook Pro, so I have that up there. And then I have the piggy bank because I want to save more money this year. And then those seeds, that represents me sowing seeds and me sowing into just not being afraid to sow money specifically, because sometimes I don't know when I should sow into ministry and I could hold back and just not give anything, or just give a little bit out of me not knowing if I should or not. So I want God to speak to me more about sowing. And then I have 100,000 because I want my income to go up this year tremendously. We're taught to dream big, so I'm gonna dream big. And now it's time to put down your poster board, your vision board. So I'm going to put the poster board face down within the picture frame, so that the images will show on the clear part or the mirrored part of the picture frame. I made a mistake in put down those little thingies first. You have to wait till you put on the back of the frame, and you'll see that in the next clip. But I'm just showing you guys. I decided to keep it so you guys won't make the same mistake. Okay, so like I said, I realized I made a mistake, and now I'm putting in the back part of the frame. Not sure if this has a specific name, but this is on the back of the frame, and I'm gonna put that down, and I'm gonna use those little tabs to tighten it down so that it stays in place. All right, you guys, this is the final look of it. It came out really nice. I'm really happy. It's just nice, clear, and concise, and I can hang it up.